Welcome back, friends and followers. Thank you for joining me for another crazy cars and coffee. This one is in San Diego, taking place at Elite Finish, which is a location that I've never been to. We're gonna be playing in traffic as always. We're on the one-wheel GTS. Let's get it. Oh man, pothole. Looks like we're late, even though we're pretty early for the roll-in. This place is packed already. Lots of people, great diversity of cars, all positive vibes so far. Hey, we changed.
Perfect.
This is it. The day has finally come where I see the Cybertruck in person, all of its glory. I can't say that I'm impressed. Yeah, I guess let's get some rollers of it. See, this electric vehicle is I'm more interested in than this electric vehicle. But we'll get it anyways. We'll get it anyways. Mean. All right, I don't even think we're in the thick of it, and it's just crazy out here already. Woo. The exhaust is blowing so hard that I can feel it in my face. equipment. Oh, the gold and black looks so better than gold and blue. Woo. So yeah, it's packed. It's packed. It's packed before it even started, honestly. But yeah, it's definitely a nice show out of people. Everybody's pretty positive. Lots of different rides. If you're enjoying any of this content, definitely leave a like and smash that subscribe, since I know like more than half of the people that watch my content haven't subscribed. Yeah, he smoked me. I ain't trying to get hurt after that 30-mile-an-hour fall. Fuck that. Let's get this McLaren. Woo. Super time, baby. What's up? Have a good one. I love the color. Woo! If you could just feel what that felt like, backfiring, you gotta risk it for the biscuit. You gotta be up in the mix if you wanna get the best content. And that's where the one-wheel GTS comes in. It's right here, see? See how I'm not waiting in line? Boom, here we go. Let's get this roller. Roller, and I'm gonna send it to you. How we going, my brother? Woo! Look at that Ford Falcon Ranchero. I don't know what year, but I'm surprised I was even able to identify it. All kinds of people. pretty nice meet. I'm enjoying myself. Everyone's pretty positive. Lots of good feedback on the GTS. It's definitely worth the drive for me from Temecula to come down to San Diego and see what Elite Finish is all about. And they definitely did not disappoint. So make sure to get out there, take action, stay motivated. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.